This next drink is called a Grand Duchess, and it's from the section Vodka Drinks. From time to time, my friends have said to me, Dave, I have been given a bottle of vodka. What the mustn't say the naughty word do I do with it? Well, first of all, let us realize that vodka is an absolutely characterless natural grain spirit, grain alcohol, watered down to 110 proof or less, with no flavor characteristics of its own whatsoever. It will, therefore, blend with anything, just as water will blend with anything. But, when it is used in a mixed drink, reliance must be placed entirely on the other components for the flavor of the drink. There's more about vodka drinks, but we might save that for another day. This is the Grand Duchess, as I stated earlier, and start off with 1 part Grenadine. Gonna need some new Grenadine soon. We need 2 parts lime juice. Since I used the bottom one for the Grenadine, everything else will be based on that. So 2 parts lime juice is just 1 big part of the jigger. Two parts gold rum, and it says that you can use also just a strong dark rum. So you could probably do something more like spicy, but I wanted to keep this a little more pure. So we're doing 2 parts, just straight up gold rum. Then we have 4 parts vodka. To be or not to be. I guess since it's flavorless, characterless, and just basically crap according to David, it'll go a long way in providing us with a liquor and a short way with doing anything to change the flavor of this overall thing, I guess. So 4 parts. 2 of these big ones. Now we gotta shake this up with some ice, which I already put in here. Nothing crazy going on in this shaking part right now. And next, we shall pour this into a cocktail glass. Looks nice. Looks like a pinkish red cocktail. Pretty cool looking. I think it'll be great. Grenadine and lime juice goes really good together. Rum, it's fine. No flavor from the vodka. In the future, if this is good, I think it'd probably be great to replace the Grenadine and double the amount of Grenadine, so 2 parts of passion fruit liqueur. I bet would be great, but that'll be for another day. Alright, so this one's called the Grand Duchess. You can go first.
Ah, it's sweet. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's true. Every flavor besides the vodka comes through. I can kind of taste the vodka a little bit, but...
What's in this? I didn't...
Oh, so this is rum, vodka, lime juice, and grenadine.
Oh.
I mentioned earlier that it would be really good with passion fruit instead of grenadine.
Oh, I agree.
The passion fruit liqueur is the jam. Look into it. Super good. And this is great. This would be really good on like a sunny day, which today is that kind of day. So,
Yeah.
Hope everyone's having a lovely spring.
Woohoo!